How to return the item in Shopee if an order is received. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to return the item in Shopee if the order is received. First of all, open up the Shopee official website. Once you get into your account, click on your profile icon and go into the My Purchase option from here. Now from your purchase, click on To Receive. Then go to the Shopee customer service page. After that, fill out the customer service page. Now, you need to select what type of user are you. Then select what is your inquiry about and pick the return refund. After that, enter your username and email address. Then select your order ID, or you can add the order ID manually. Now, you need to give descriptions of your problem. Once you enter everything, click to submit. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.